Something that we need to do in order to make the Google Docs usable when we're creating HTML and our CSS is to turn off the smart quotes. Under Tools, we're going to go down to Preferences, and you're going to uncheck Use Smart Quotes. Click OK, but we're not finished. Next, we're going to go up to Edit, and then we're going to do Find and Replace. And we're going to copy and paste one of our smart quotes in the Find, and now in the Replace With, type in a quote. You'll see that they show up differently. And we're going to click Replace All, and you'll see that now we have the straight quotes. Once you've done that, you should be able to preview all of your work on the HTML previewer without a problem.